Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Baking and Buttercream. And in this video, I'm teaching you how to make a lemon bundt cake or how to make lemon cake pops. If you enjoy this kind of baking content, please consider subscribing down below. Alright guys, so let's take a break and bake. The ingredients you need are 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of butter, 6 eggs, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2.5 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of salt. To turn it into a cake pop, you need vanilla or lemon buttercream, candy melts, lemon zest, or yellow sprinkles. Alright guys, so first I'm going to teach you how to make the lemon bundt cake, and if you wish to turn it into cake pops, I'll show you that at the end. So yeah, this is a really simple recipe. You're first going to start off by taking a bundt pan, and you want to either spray it with some cooking spray, or like what I do, I take some butter and I put it all around the pan, and then I sprinkle some flour over that butter, and that will help keep your cake from sticking to the pan after you take it out of the oven. So now what we're going to start doing, we're going to start mixing all of our ingredients. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, you're going to want to beat your butter, cream cheese, and sugar. You want to do this until it's nice and light and fluffy, and whenever that happens, you're going to switch your paddle attachment to a whisk. If you don't have a paddle attachment, it's alright, it just kind of helps beat in all of the butter and the sugar to help it well incorporate. So now I'm switching it out for a whisk attachment, and I'm adding my eggs one at a time until everything is combined. And the reason why I'm switching to a whisk attachment is because that will help make the cake light and fluffier, because the paddle attachment just won't quite get the eggs to the right fluffy texture. After the eggs are all mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and add in our lemon zest and our lemon juice and mix that together until well combined. While that is mixing, I just wanna ask you guys to consider subscribing to my channel and comment down below a future video that you want me to do in the future. But also, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I am so excited. So whenever we reach 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do something crazy. So as some of you may know, in some of my other videos, you can see my hair. I really like having my hair nice and fixed. But to celebrate reaching 1,000 subscribers, I am going to make my hair the colors of the Baking and Buttercream logo. As you can see, the main color is black, and the next main color is blue. So I'll be dyeing my hairs to those colors for you guys. So please reach 1,000 subscribers real quick. And of course, I'm also gonna bake something awesome in celebration. Now back to the ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and now add our vanilla. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our flour, add a little bit about a cup at a time. Then our salt. You want this to mix just until everything is well incorporated. You do not want this to overmix, because the batter just won't turn out right. After everything is well mixed, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put this into the buttered and floured or greased bundt pan. And after you put the batter into the pan, you want to make sure that you even it all out with an angled spatula or by tapping the pan onto a countertop. After it's in the pan, you just want to put that in the oven at 325 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes or an hour to 30 minutes. So depending on how hot your oven goes, the times may vary. Now put that in the oven, and whenever it comes out, it will look so cool, so golden brown. Now you can leave it there as a lemon bundt cake, and you can even make a little glaze, a lemon glaze to go on top. How to make that's really simple. You just mix together 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of buttermilk. And that is your simple lemon glaze to put on the bundt cake. Of course, before you put your lemon glaze on top, make sure that the cake is cool, because if not, then your glaze would just melt off the sides, and you do not want that. But if you do want to make cake pops out of this lemon cake, Go ahead and let it cool, and whenever it's cool, you can go ahead and just kind of tear it open with your hands, just making it into small crumbs. After your cake is turned into crumbs, now we're going to start using the cake pop ingredients. So just take some of your buttercream and add it into the cake crumbs until it's able to form a ball. Make sure not to add too much buttercream because your cake pops will become heavy and you do not want that. So you just want to continually add some buttercream, see if that's enough by making a ball and if it will keep its shape. And if it keeps its shape, that's good. Just keep it at that and make little balls out of the cake dough. After you've made the little cake balls, go ahead and put them in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. While they're in the refrigerator, for the last 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and start melting your cake pops. To do this, put them in your microwave about half temperature and put them on in 20-second intervals and mixing it in between until everything is fully melted. Once they are fully melted, you're going to go ahead and take your cake pops out of the refrigerator and take a cake pop stick and dip it into the candy melt and then stick it into the cake pop and then let those chill for about another 20 minutes. Once the candy melt is fully set in the cake pop on the stick, you're going to go ahead and take it out and dip it into your candy melt. You want to try to make sure to cover the entire cake pop so it gets all of that delicious candy melt. As soon as you're all done covering it with the candy melt, go ahead and either take your yellow sprinkles or lemon zest and sprinkle that on top. That is how you make these delicious lemon cake pops or your delicious lemon bundt cake. So please comment down below another dessert you would like to see me make in the future, or click one of the 2 videos right here. The top one YouTube recommends. I recommend this bottom one, and this is actually a challenge video I did with my friends whenever we reached, in celebration for whenever we reach 375 subscribers, and you can see my hair in the video. And then over here is the baking and buttercream icon. Click it to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day.